There is this assumption among new creators that live streams and short form videos don't pay as much as uploaded long form videos. And this could possibly be from the advice they have gotten from other creators that are well experienced than them. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the analytics of the live streams I did on this channel. I went live daily for 24 days on this channel, and I'm going to bring to you the views, the watch time, the subscribers, and the revenue that these live streams have gotten or given this channel. So before I continue, I would like you to hear from a big creator with over 17 million subscribers what he talked about the live stream that he went live on his channel for 4 hours and how much this live stream paid him.
During the stream, I had 31,000 average viewers with a peak of 38K, which is a big stream. That is a big stream for me. It's actually more average viewers than the Rocket League one, but the Rocket League stream not only was a longer stream, but had a higher peak, and thus you would expect make more money because of the ads and the subs that came through. Because this Starfield video actually made $84,000. 84,000 doubloons for a 4-hour stream just playing mid-poop-ass Starfield. The actual...
And when you check, you see that the RPM of this live stream is $17.77. You get the point. And this is very, very huge. But no, one of the surprising things about this live stream is that it's a gaming, it's a gaming live stream, not necessarily a digital marketing or finance tips live stream. This is a gaming channel that got over $17 RPM.
In fact, the live stream itself made 1.6K on ads, and the other $78,000 came from the VOD and the ads that played during a VOD.
Now, this is where the climax of the whole thing. Now, when you check, when this stream was live, it earned this channel $1,602, and then the replay earned this channel $78,383. This is way much more than what a typical live stream will earn. So now, why most creators do believe or do assume that live stream doesn't pay is that we don't take time to prepare our live streams. Because when you check most YouTube channels, you just see like Tech Informant is live. This just some generic title to their live streams. So they don't take time to optimize their live stream, and that is why they're not getting enough. Now, another thing that could possibly affect you getting reasonable revenue from your live stream is that if you do vertical live stream, definitely there's no way you can earn more than when you do a horizontal live stream. So this is some things that can impact your live stream. For example, like this channel, this channel is a gaming channel, but with the RPM hitting $17, that is very huge. Possibly he titled his live stream like maybe the particular title or the game he was playing was trending way back when he did his live stream. So you as a creator, whether you are a new creator or you're a small creator, if you want to optimize, you want to maximize what you can get from your live stream, both in terms of revenue, in terms of watch time, hours, even in terms of subscribers, make time to optimize your live streams. Give it a good title that befits the session, and also give it a good thumbnail, just like the way you would do a typical uploaded video. Now let me show you what the 24 live stream that I had within a month, what it earned my channel. From here you can see that I've already grouped this live stream, and there are a total of 24 live streams that I did on this channel within a space of 1 month. And you can see the total views I got from these 24 live streams is 6,123 views with 546 watch time hours, 56 subscribers, and $31.54 as the revenue. Now you will say this number of views is too small for a channel my size with 24 live streams. Now, the reason why these numbers are very low, like when you check, you see that most of the views, I mean, not most, all the views, none of them is above 1,000 views. This is because the live streams, I have to private them for my members. So if you go to my live page, you see that all the live streams were privated, or a good number of them, most of them are privated for my members only, my channel's members, so you can see it. So that is why it got 6,000. Typically it should have been over 10,000 or hitting 15,000 views. But now the main catch here, the main reason why I'm making this video, is for creators that are trying to monetize their channel. Now if you check this number is not too, the views is not like a very huge number that you cannot relate with. Imagine with 6,000 views, I got 546 watch time hours. So for those of you trying to get your 4,000 watch time hours, in my own opinion, I think going live is one of the easiest way to get your watch time hours. And I do say that monetizing a channel, a YouTube channel, is much easier now than it was like about 3 or 4 years ago. With the vertical live stream, with the different kind of options for going live on YouTube, you can easily monetize a channel in less than 3 months. Now it took me 3 years, up to 3 years to monetize this channel. But other channels that I've tried, laid my hands on, or I've done some work with, it never took them up to, it never took us up to 2 months to monetize these channels. So in essence, what I'm trying, the reason for this live stream is that to let you know that you can make more money through live streams, and at the same time you can gain more watch time hours. Like if you check, the RPM of these live streams is about $5, and when you check the CPM, is almost $10, which is very, very huge compared to other niches and other, like something like YouTube Shorts. So now coming to YouTube Short, I'm going to make another video explaining the reason why you shouldn't ditch making content in short form formats. Like, some people do say don't do shorts, it will hurt your channel, this, that, this. Well, it depends from each creator's perspective and the kind of content you make on your channel. So if you want me to make a video explaining more about YouTube Shorts and what some channels are making from YouTube Shorts, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and subscribe if you want to get more of these helpful videos from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.